Here's my General Electric W1 box fan. Here it is on low. It has a thermostat also. Runs a lot better since I oiled it. I'll show you the amp draw. .64 amps. Here it is on medium. This was running a lot slower than it was. This is running a lot faster than it was when I pulled it out from not being used for about maybe 2 months. I did oil it, but I didn't oil it as well as I should have. And the oil was soaking in, so this will be nice. It draws 1.71 amps, which is not too far away from speed low, so that's kind of nice. And here is hot. This thing puts out a big breeze. And even though it's kind of loud, it's definitely not as loud as other box fans. It's drawing 2.48 amps. This fan is rated for 3 amps. I don't have the model on the bottom because it's probably worn off, but yeah, draws that many watts. And you'll see how long the spin down is. While it's spinning down, I will tell you about where I got the fan. So I got this fan at an antique store for $45, which is it's a really great deal for the condition this box fan is in. Now, the first time I saw it, I passed it up because, I mean, I like GE stuff, but I'm more of an Emerson guy, and I just kind of passed it up for $45, and I didn't have that much money then because I wasn't earning really any. And then the next time we went by there, a month later, it was still there, surprising. And I was like, well, I was just about to pass it up, but I said, I'll wait to see, look around first to see if there's anything else. And there was nothing else, so I bought it, and I'm really glad I did because this is the W1, and I didn't know how rare this was, but it was only made for 1 year. And it has an oil port on the back, which you find in no other GEs, unless it's the earlier ones, and like no other GE box fans, I think. So I'll show you a view of the thermostat. The handle, that's electrical tape. It was supposed to be like some rubber on it that was red. There's a thermostat. It kind of is stiff right there. I just leave it on because I don't care to use it that much. And that's the controls. And it's really nice condition. I don't think it was supposed to have an automatic thing on it or a tag. I don't think so. But yeah. The motor in the back has an oil port right there. It goes through. I did open it up though because it was kind of stiff when I got it. Because it was way better to oil it that way. Yeah, when I was taking it out, I accidentally dropped it and I got so lucky it did not short the windings. I dropped the motor and it hit the Venturi and it cracked the insulation on it. But luckily it did not hit the winding. I'm so glad because I would be so mad at myself for that. And this motor's pretty light, but just the angle I was holding it kind of slipped out of my hand. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll stop rambling. And here's the front of the fan while it's off. This is kind of a really in-depth video of it, so you can really see. I guess that's the side. This fan is heavy. It's like really heavy. The back. I always like these fans. Well, I don't really collect the GE fans. Like, really like them, but they are pretty good. The reason why I got it was because I got one for my grandpa, and it was like in a cabinet like this, and yeah, but I lost that fan a while ago. I don't remember what happened to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and you probably could have just like, yeah, I'll stop rambling.